adding a title block in where one currently does not exist. So first of all, in order to make this work, I'll be sending a file along to those who need the file. And that file is the template file, which has our title block, the Holland College information. And it'll be called hollandcollege_d imperial.dwt. So when you get that file, whether you get it off of Sam or I email it to you, save it somewhere it's convenient because you'll have to access that file in order to make this work. At this stage, you perhaps have a floor plan that's drawn, and of course your next step is getting it arranged onto a sheet, but you don't have the title block and there's nothing else down here. So what do you do? So first of all, as long as you've saved that file somewhere that I mentioned, Holland College D Imperial, we can access that file and really just kind of steal the title block off of that to create a new layout down in the corner of CAD. By doing so, you'll have your sheet. So how does that work? Well, if you were to right-click on Layout, and I'm going to go from Template, which means I want to use an existing template file somewhere to get the information off of that. You want to browse to wherever you have it saved. Now for me, at home, I made a folder called CAD Stuff. There it is. And I put the file in there. Wherever you have it saved, it's going to be different probably. Find the file, click Open, and it gives you a prompt saying, oh, you want to use the layout from this existing file. I sure do. Click OK. Nothing really happens here, but now there's a third layout option down below, Plot Sheet. And there's our title block. The Holland College logo will be missing because it's linked to a file on our network at school, which we don't have access to, and neither do I. That's okay. Don't worry about the logo being missing. I don't care about that at all. But now, floor plan, sheet, and your next step is getting that floor plan onto your sheet. Double-clicking somewhere within the viewport, that box right here, allows the viewport window to be activated, and usually you can roll your mouse back and forth until you find the drawing. And if nothing else, you can double-click the mouse wheel, click, and which brings all your drawing extents onto within that viewport boundary. So there's your floor plan, more or less kind of center it on your sheet, and then in the bottom right corner of your drawing space, make sure you choose a scale. This is how we scale within CAD. A scale is still important. We draw everything in model space over here at full size, 1:1, but it's within this window that we actually apply a scale. So with the window active, I choose a scale. If you watch the floor plan, you'll see it zoom a little bit, and there we go. Your floor plan is now at a scale of 1/4 inch equals a foot within that viewport window. I'm going to double click the window outside of the window to turn it off. That way when I roll the mouse wheel, now I'm not actually changing the scale of the drawing within the window, I'm just zooming in and out with the sheet overall. Don't forget to also fill in information about who you are, the drawing scale and its name, and that's your drawing up to this point. You also still need to create a plot style, which I'll do in a separate video after I finish this one.